How to get rich in the age of AI. The term artificial intelligence AI is starting to appear more frequently in the context of the corporate world. It assists business owners in a variety of tasks, including the analysis of data, the creation of content, and the development of marketing plans. As a result, it has become a fantastic method for reducing financial expenditures. The application of artificial intelligence, on the other hand, can be difficult for some people because it is a relatively new technology. In this video, we will go over 9 different ways that you may use AI to create more money. These methods are appropriate for both novices and seasoned professionals. Tools for artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT and DALL-E are created to be as user-friendly as is humanly possible, making them available to anybody and everyone, including those just starting. Number 7. Produce content utilizing AI. One of the most common strategies for making money online is to monetize content. Putting adverts on your blog entries and publishing sponsored social media posts are 2 of the most common ways to accomplish this goal. To obtain a consistent source of money, you will, nevertheless, need to consistently produce content that is both original and compelling. The activities of drawing, researching, and brainstorming can all be streamlined with the help of tools powered by AI. Solutions like Jasper, for instance, can generate material that may be formatted in a variety of ways, such as a blog post, an Instagram caption, or a YouTube script. Inputting a descriptive prompt is all that is required of you, and the application will generate the content for you automatically. If you decide that you do not like the content, Jasper can recreate it according to your specifications. You can also augment the visual appeal of your blog entries by incorporating computer-generated artwork from services such as DALL-E. People who don't have the funds to hire a professional artist but want a straightforward illustration in a hurry may find this to be an excellent alternative. It is important to keep in mind, however, that even content generated by AI must still be moderated and edited by humans. Make sure you examine the content for accuracy before publishing it so that you can guarantee that the information you provide to your readers is correct and trustworthy. Number 6. Integrate AI into your web design. Having your website and managing it gives up a wide variety of chances to make money. A website that looks professional and is designed professionally is a good medium for reaching more audiences and customers online. This is true whether your goal is to sell products, monetize content through online advertising, or participate in an affiliate network. The rapid development of artificial intelligence has made it simpler for anyone, regardless of their level of technical expertise, to construct their website and generate income from doing so. There are now several website builders available, and many of them feature AI-powered tools that make the process of constructing a website much simpler. For instance, the AI heat map function included in hosting your website builder is designed to assist users in determining which aspects of their websites are most likely to draw the attention of website visitors. Number 5. Utilize AI to develop your online courses. Developing online courses is not only a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your profession, but it is also a fantastic method for generating financial gain. It is feasible with the assistance of AI software to improve how you display and market your lessons to attract a greater number of consumers. To get started with the market research phase, you might make use of AI technologies. For instance, if you want to develop a programming course, you might want to think about using ChatGPT to gather information on the most effective programming languages so that you can more precisely define your ideal students. After that, the AI tool will provide some suggestions as to what the subjects and contents should be. In addition, certain AI software gives you the ability to generate appealing marketing texts that convey value propositions to buyers, which assists you in selling the courses over the internet. Number 4. Use AI to assist you with freelance coding. If doing freelance coding is something that interests you, you might think about leveraging AI tools to streamline your work process. Software such as ChatGPT makes use of natural language processing, NLP, as the foundation of its artificial intelligence AI system, which may assist you with a variety of laborious coding jobs. The generally time-consuming process of code documentation can be greatly facilitated by using software that is powered by natural language processing, NLP. It can generate documentation automatically depending on the comments you make or natural language descriptions of the code. Research assistance can also be obtained through the usage of AI apps. When trying to fix issues that have been introduced into their applications, software developers frequently need to search for code snippets or libraries. The use of artificial intelligence makes it simpler to obtain recommendations for how to solve the problem. In addition, the NLP AI technology can assist in the analysis and examination of your code comments to locate potential problems or places for development. Number 3. Sign up to be an affiliate of an ad product. Participating in an affiliate program for an artificial intelligence product can be a fruitful approach to generating income. You might sell items and services associated with artificial intelligence technology such as software for machine learning, solutions for cloud-based infrastructure, or data analytics tools. Joining an affiliate program will allow you to capitalize on current market trends and turn them into a source of revenue for your business. You will get access to useful resources provided by the organization, such as those related to marketing, support from customer service representatives, and even discounts on products. These tools can help you maximize the effectiveness of your promotional efforts and connect with a greater number of audiences. Although exploiting already existing items is a realistic alternative for producing money, the potential of artificial intelligence technologies is significantly greater. Experts are in a better position to capitalize on more opportunities to make money with this technology if they have a greater understanding of artificial intelligence. AI. Number 2. Develop and commercialize products powered by AI. Considering the rising need for artificial intelligence ACE solutions, it may be a fruitful strategy to create your AI ACE goods and then market and sell them. On the other hand, developing AI software is an extremely difficult and time-consuming process. You won't have to start from zero when developing machine learning algorithms, which is good news. Instead, you should think about utilizing an application programming interface API that is freely open to the public. To develop your product, you can make use of a wide variety of application programming interfaces APIs, such as the Google Cloud AI Platform offers a set of machine learning capabilities that developers may use to create intelligent applications. Functionalities such as speech-to-text conversion, natural language processing, translation, and vision are included in these services. Amazon Web Services AI offers a wide variety of machine learning services, such as language translation, computer vision, and speech recognition, among others. TensorFlow is a framework for open-source machine learning that was developed by Google. TensorFlow was created by Google. Image classification and natural language processing are only two of the many applications that can benefit from its extensive library of machine learning tools and techniques. OpenAI API is preloaded with a plethora of huge language models that may be used for generating text, translating, and creating graphics. Number 1. Offer a service for the integration of AI. Machine learning and AI automation services can be beneficial to a wide variety of businesses, including retail, healthcare, and finance, amongst others. If you have an in-depth grasp of the technology, giving services to businesses that integrate AI could be a lucrative way for you to generate money. The business intelligence of a corporation can also be boosted with the help of artificial intelligence. For instance, companies that run marketing efforts online rely on having an insight into the behavior of their clients. You can boost consumer and market pattern recognition, as well as trend detection, by integrating AI's predictive analytics into the system. NLP models can also be used by an agency to analyze client evaluations and feedback to detect recurring topics and feelings. If they do so, it can help them write advertising text that responds to the particular requirements and difficulties faced by their target audience. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.